Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take a deep dive into the products you care about. Today, we're looking at the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender and 4-Slice Toaster. These two kitchen essentials claim to make your mornings smoother, simpler, and tastier. The blender promises powerful performance and ultra-smooth results, while the toaster offers the versatility to toast thicker breads and bagels with ease. Let's take a closer look and see if these appliances live up to the hype. First, let's talk about the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. This blender boasts 700 watts of peak blending power, which sounds impressive on paper. With its Ice Sabre blades and wave action system, the blender is designed to handle everything from smoothies to frozen drinks, and even crush ice with ease. The 40-ounce glass jar provides enough capacity for multiple servings, so you can make your shakes, smoothies, and other drinks in one go. And of course, the jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The standout feature here is the wave action system. It's a patented design that forces ingredients down into the blades as they blend, ensuring smoother, more consistent results. No more having to stop and stir your ingredients midway through. The wave action system is constantly circulating the ingredients for thorough blending. But does it really work as promised? In our testing, it did a great job of breaking down even the toughest ingredients, like frozen fruit and ice, into a silky smooth consistency without needing to pause or scrape the sides. On the other hand, I did find the 700-watt motor to be a bit limiting when it comes to more demanding tasks, like crushing large amounts of ice. While it performed admirably for smoothies and shakes, if you're looking to blend something heavier like nut butters or dense greens, you might find it lacking a bit of power compared to higher-end blenders. Still, for everyday use, it does the job well, especially if you're looking for a blender that's straightforward and easy to use. Now, let's move on to the Hamilton Beach 4-Slice Toaster. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek stainless steel design. It fits well into most kitchen decors, and with 4 extra wide slots, it's ideal for thick slices of bread, bagels, and even frozen waffles. The toaster's shade selector allows you to adjust how light or dark you want your toast, giving you full control over your results. But one feature that really caught my eye was the toast boost. It lifts smaller slices of bread, like English muffins or the end pieces of bread, so they're easier to grab without burning your fingers. During testing, the toaster performed as expected. It toasted bread evenly, and the extra wide slots made it easy to toast bagels without having to struggle with thinner slices. The shade selector was handy, allowing you to get your toast just the way you like it. The toast boost function worked like a charm, elevating smaller slices so they didn't get stuck. But when toasting thicker items, the bread sometimes got a little uneven in spots, especially with items like frozen waffles or thicker artisan bread. Not a deal breaker, but worth noting. One of the nicest touches is the crumb tray, which slides out for easy cleaning. No more mess on your countertops after toasting. Plus, the auto shutoff feature gives you peace of mind, automatically stopping the cycle even if something gets jammed. This is a great safety feature, particularly if you're in a hurry and forget to keep an eye on your toaster. So, what are the pros and cons of these two kitchen appliances? Let's start with the blender. On the plus side, it offers impressive performance for its price. The wave action system delivers smooth results without needing to pause, and it's easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. The glass jar holds plenty of servings, and the spout makes it easier to pour without spilling. On the downside, its 700-watt motor limits its ability to tackle tougher tasks like making nut butter or blending dense greens. For those who want a blender that can handle these tasks, you may need to look at higher-end models. As for the toaster, its extra wide slots and toast boost feature are definite highlights. It makes toasting thicker breads and bagels simple and quick. The auto shutoff and crumb tray make it easy to use and maintain. However, when it comes to toasting thicker items like frozen waffles, the results can be a bit uneven. For the price, though, it's still a solid toaster with some thoughtful design elements that stand out. When it comes to value for money, both products do well within their price range. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is reasonably priced for what it offers. Its performance may not rival higher-end blenders, but for everyday tasks like smoothies and shakes, it holds its own. Similarly, the 4-slice toaster provides solid features for those looking for a reliable toaster without splurging on premium models. There are other options out there that may perform slightly better, but they also come with a higher price tag. In terms of comparisons, there are certainly alternatives on the market, especially when you look at higher-powered blenders or premium toasters. However, for the price, the Hamilton Beach models are competitive in their categories. If you're not looking for top-tier, heavy-duty performance and just need reliable, everyday appliances, these are excellent options. As far as build quality goes, both appliances are well constructed. The blender's glass jar and stainless steel blades are durable, and the toaster's stainless steel body feels sturdy. While neither product seems designed for heavy-duty, long-term use under intense conditions, they both perform well under normal, everyday usage. Based on industry trends and Hamilton Beach's reputation, I expect these to last a reasonable amount of time with proper care. When it comes to customer support, I didn't have any issues with either product. But Hamilton Beach is generally known for its responsive customer service. In case you run into any issues, their support team is usually quite helpful, and their products typically come with a good warranty. Overall, both the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender and the 4-slice toaster offer strong performance for the price. They deliver reliable results in everyday kitchen tasks like making smoothies and toasting bagels, with a few features that set them apart from the competition. While there are some minor drawbacks, like the blender's limited power for tough tasks and the toaster's uneven results with thicker bread, they still offer good value for money. If you're looking for an affordable blender that excels at smoothies and a toaster that handles bagels with ease, these might just be what you need. However, if you're after a blender that can crush ice for cocktails or make nut butters, or a toaster that can handle heavy-duty tasks without a hiccup, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. If you've already tried out these products or have any questions, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. You'll find the link to grab these items in the comments box. Goodbye till next time, and remember, we're always here with the latest and greatest on Reviews Inside TV.